flip flop. That never happened before. Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, due to winds at higher elevations, our fireworks spectacular magical cannot continue. We regret any inconvenience this may cause you and hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here at Disneyland. Once again, our fireworks spectacular cannot continue due to high winds. Thank you.
You believe that? That never, all my life has never happened. Either they cancel them, but they've never stopped them mid.
Yeah.
Well, the show was stopped halfway through, but we had a good time. Let's head over to World of Color.